Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome on tours. We're in the lovely Marmaris. I'm taking a nice walk along the promenade. So let's see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. Really nice day today, absolutely roasting. Just went and saw the bazaars, which has all changed. So yeah, let me know if you've been here recently, if you've come down to Marmaris, and if you have, what do you think of the updated new bazaar? But yeah, I was taking a nice little walk back. So we've gone along all the marina, had a look around the bazaar, and now we're just taking a sort of stroll back into the main bit of Marmaris. We're going to head towards Blueport shopping area, shopping centre. So if you're familiar with Marmaris, it's a big shopping complex. You've got sort of food, all your stores and everything, and then you've got more of like the hotels and stuff, like the big resorts in that part of Marmaris. If you are looking to come and stay, that is a nice area to stay in. You can sort of have a complex that's just on the beach, and then the other side is like the shopping more sort of built up area. But yeah, absolutely roasting today. Feels like there is a little bit more of a breeze here, which is very much needed. Both of us sweating. Yeah, really calm. Seems a little bit more busier here as well. So we've been staying in Ishmael this time round. We have stayed in Marmaris before, but this time round we're just staying in Ishmael, and it's very quiet in Ishmael. A lot more quieter than it has been for many time that we've stayed. So I don't know if it's just the week that we're here. Obviously for the UK, schools and stuff are still sort of going if you've got younger kids. Yeah, let me know if you're coming out sort of in the next few weeks. Comment below, watch our videos, go on our Facebook, Instagram, and yeah, let us know if it's sort of, if you think it's also busy, quiet, if you're sort of regular visitors to Marmaris, Ishmael. What are you thinking? What is your thoughts? We got the beach here. You got the activity just coming up as well, so you can go on all the sort of inflatables. Looks quite empty at the moment, but to be fair, it'd be really hot, like jumping around on that. Don't know if I'd really want to do that. And then this part of the beach is really nice because you can just bring your towel. It's got like the little umbrellas and stuff, like that family there, got all their chairs and everything. But if you do want to have like a sun lounger, then further along the beach you can have that option as well. And usually it's just buy a drink and then you get a sun lounger. This side we do notice is more sort of like families, everyone gets together, it's quite nice. Yeah, it's more the locals. And at night time as well, it's quite nice to see a lot of like families here at night, just chilling and relaxing. So yeah, a lot more of a local vibe this end. Got the marina there to show you guys where we've come from. So yeah, if you do want to check out any of the content, we have got stuff for the marina. We have done a boat trip, but yeah, we haven't done one this time round. Boat trip. No, we tend to sort of do one every 2 years, don't we? When things have sort of changed a bit. I know some people come and they do one every time. We did do a midnight swim though. That was quite nice. We had a full moon, the strawberry moon. So we did like a little midnight swim for that. Didn't look very strawberry where we were, and I did try to take some pictures, but obviously where the moon is and with my camera it wasn't the best picture. We're fine, thank you. You too. So yeah, you can probably see it a little bit more better now. You've got the inflatables out there. Not sure what the price is to try that, but it's like you can just sort of like run along all the different slides and stuff. Oh yes, it's so much nicer. The walk here this morning, there was no breeze absolutely nothing. So it's nice to have that today. Go back and be burnt as a crisp. You got the big Marmaris sign here. Nice and bright and colourful. And there's loads of these little ice cream places. We have got the ice cream from here before. It is nice, but it's quite pricey. Really pricey. I mean, if you're just here once and you want to try it, I think definitely. I think that's the whole point of holiday. But yeah, for me personally, I think it was a little bit overpriced for what it was. But then you expect that, you're on the promenade, you're in the heart of it. They can get away with doing it a little bit more. So you got banana boat there, 500 lira per person. Hi guys.
How are you doing? All good?
Yeah. All good, thank
Merry
you.
Christmas.
Almost. So you got that one there, the waffle crepe Turkish ice cream. They do their fruit juice, pancakes, or crepes, sorry. And they do the traditional Turkish ice cream. I did manage to get a couple of free ones when we went to Antalya. Yeah, managed to wrangle myself some free Turkish ice cream. If you do want to check that out, again, it's on our playlist. If you just go to Antalya, yeah, I managed to get some free ice cream. That's quite good, that was.
One was in Khmer.
Oh yeah, one was in Khmer and one was in Antalya, and then we also did some content in Bildibi. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big, another huge resort area. Quite a lot of people we speak to have done that part of Turkey as well. Yeah, let me know what sort of parts of Turkey you've been to, because we've been looking at sort of doing like Bodrum, haven't we? And then we want to also go to, how do you pronounce the area? The balloons? You remember? Yeah, so we're going to be doing that as well. That's a very different kind of, a different sort of vibe to what we are in now. Yeah, so in the mountains, you've got like the cave houses and everything. So we thought that'd be quite nice to do a very different sort of, a different vibe to Turkey. If you don't want the grand bazaars like we've just been to, the promenades and all the hustle and bustle, this is more for like the, I suppose, chilled. So yeah, let us know if you've been there, if you've done the hot air balloons, stayed in any of like the cave houses or anything. Got the lifeguards out, which is good. Got your disabled umbrellas there, so that's nice to know. Yeah, I've got mobility. Another ice cream. Got the slush puppies as well. I know they're a fan favourite. Can't beat a nice slush puppy on a hot day. When we was doing the Mega Diana, they had the alcoholic slush puppy, didn't they? So we were just drinking that pretty much the whole time. You just add like your rum or vodka or whatever you want to it. Yeah, that's really nice. Bit of nice wall art there. Yeah, beautiful day. Just make sure you guys remember to like and subscribe. It really does help push the content. We're going to end this one here. It's been a nice little stroll along the promenade. We're going to stop off, get a drink. So I'll see you guys on the next one.